In terms of store front customization, scale is a little more limited than some of the other options. Instead of picking a theme that doesn't most of the work. From the Scale dashboard, click online, then click the website edit site to get started. In the sidebar on the left, you can select the different page elements, or you can just click on them directly. For more options, click in the three little dots. You can change the colors, fonts and layouts of everything individually, and of course upload your own image. It works well, but it is a bit constrained. Square price free with 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction for unlimited products, and a Square branded site from $12 per month billed annually with 2.9% plus 0.30 per transaction to use a custom domain and remove ads. Best e-commerce platform for getting started for free. If you are launching an online store but want to minimize your initial outlay, EasyVid is the best place to begin. It's a code to great free plan that lets you start selling on first fit and physical products and affordable upgrade tiers starting at $15 per month. As you grow, you need to extra feature. There are also no additional transaction fees on top of what your payments gateway charges is, and it's not skimming any profit with hidden fees. When you sign up, EasyVid gives you the option to integrate your store with your existing website. It supports most platforms like WordPress, Weebly, Drupal, and Delight, or to set up your own store with a company site domain name. At the dashboard, you are presented with a big bold to-do list that walks you through setting up your site, adding your first product, localizing your store, and choosing how you want to deliver goods and get paid for them. Walking through this full list, it takes less than 15 minutes. Where EasyVid stand out from the sum of their other fees free option is its customizability. In the sidebar, click website and then edit site. Best e-commerce platform, a large volume seller. Big commerce is unsurprisingly given the name and enterprise e-commerce solution used by multinational companies like Ben & Jerry. Big Commerce Essential offers a similarly powerful platform for small businesses looking to sell online or significantly more affordable prices. With that said, Big Commerce Essentials is still aimed at businesses that are already selling a lot, either in units or dollars. That's starting out when you sign up. This means that unlike most other options, as a part of the onboarding process, you are prompted to set up sales, taxes, and automated shipping, both things that smaller stores are just getting started and kind of. If you only sell 10 t-shirts a month, you are not going to suddenly be on the hook for multiple $1,000 tax liability. The focus on a bigger small business is not without its downsides. However, while BigCommerce has 12 free themes, but in the majority of the ones available at the theme marketplace. Best e-commerce platform for adding a Shopify cart to an existing WordPress site. Most e-commerce solution works best if you are them to build your online full store rather than to add payment processing to your existing site. It's just simpler if everything runs seamlessly from a single dashboard and is built using these same tools. What then do you do if you already have a website set up? You can connect WooCommerce to thousands of other apps with Zyper to do things like saving orders to a spreadsheet or adding new customers to your email marketing tool. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for interesting videos notification. So take care, goodbye.